Still waiting for a piece of plastic in the mail to get your phone working? It's 2026, and if you're on Verizon, your SIM card is already inside your phone. It's just digital. Today, I'm showing you the push to activate method to get your iPhone on the Verizon network instantly without even opening the SIM tray. So if you just bought a new phone, Verizon likely pushed the activation to your device automatically. So just turn on your phone and connect it to Wi-Fi, and then move. A notification will pop up saying Verizon cellular plan ready to be installed. Tap it, hit continue, and your phone will do the handshake with the tower. If you don't see the pop-up, just go to the settings, cellular, set up cellular, and your Verizon number should be sitting right there waiting for you. Then, if you're bringing your own iPhone or transferring from an old one, open the My Verizon app. This is the fastest way. Tap Shop, bring your own device, and follow the prompts to activate eSIM. If you're transferring from an old iPhone, keep both phones next to each other. Go to Settings, Cellular, add eSIM on the new phone, and select Transfer from nearby iPhone. Confirm the transfer on your old one, and the number moves over in about 60 seconds. And your iPhone is now a 5G powerhouse. Hopefully this eSIM guide helps you skip the line. If it did, like and subscribe.